I'm Tyldesley, welcome to the UP kitchen. Today I'm going to be making quick turkey keema with spiced cauliflower rice. Super easy to make, literally everything in one pan. It's packed full of nutrients and it's oozing with flavour, so let's get cracking. Okay, so in here we've got our onions, we've got our garlic and we've got our spices. So we've got curry powder, ground cumin, we've got turmeric and we've got some garam masala, and that's all gone in there just for a minute or so. Then we're going to add some peppers and mushrooms. You can literally put anything in here, whatever vegetables you fancy. I mean, sometimes I put broccoli in, cauliflower, anything goes really. There's no rules. Okay, I try and use turmeric in quite a lot of my cooking. Not only is the colour really nice, it's really good for you. So it's a great anti-inflammatory and it's really good for digestion, among a whole horde of things. There's loads of health benefits with turmeric, so I've put quite a bit in there today. Okay, then we're going to put our turkey mince in. Now again, you can use any meat. You can use beef, you can use lamb, whatever you fancy. That just goes straight in. Okay, so just break that up. I mean, again, this dish is super versatile. You can use anything. You can make a fish keema. I often do it with prawns. You can make a vegetarian version. Turkey's great because it's really lean and it's a great source of protein. So once you've browned your meat off a little bit, we're going to add a can of chopped tomatoes. In that goes. Give it a good stir. And like I say, you can put any vegetables into this dish, but traditionally keema uses peas, so that's what we're going to go for. Frozen peas is fine. Okay. And we're just going to leave this to simmer. It'll only need about 8 minutes or so. Just let all the flavours infuse. And while we do that, I'm going to prep our cauliflower rice. So, I've just got a casual cauliflower from the garden. Now I'm going to grate it. You can use a food processor, but I'm not that posh, so I'm just going to grate it. And we literally, once you've grated it, that's it, job done. It's like a rice-like consistency. This is another way of getting more vegetables into the kids as well, as opposed to just having regular rice. Okay, you're going to love how easy this spiced cauliflower rice is. A little bit of olive oil in a pan. Then we're going to take the grated cauliflower. Handy, it's all stayed within the grater. Put that in. Right, give that a little stir. And then my go-to spice, I love paprika. Again, it gives it a really nice colour. I am a spice fiend. Do like things hot, so we are going to put a little bit of chilli in. Again, it's totally optional, you don't have to put chilli flakes in. And this literally takes minutes, so you just do this towards the end of your curry cooking and everything will be done at the same time. We're going to add a little bit of fresh coriander to the cauliflower rice, which again is one of my favourite herbs. I use it a hell of a lot. Just roughly chop that up. As I mentioned before, I'm a lazy cook. I like things to be quick, but hopefully this will just show you how quick and easy dishes like this are. I'm also very messy. I think recipes like this are just perfect for people who are on the go because it's so quick. And I think people have this misconception that vegetables are boring, but this dish is packed with vegetables, packed with nutrients, and it's super tasty. Just at the very end of the cooking for the curry, I'm going to put a little bit of fresh coriander in there too, because it just brings all the flavours together really nicely. Quick stir, and then we're good to plate it up. Just going to have a little try of this. That is so good. Literally, there's so many different flavours in there. Yeah, witness the fitness. Give that a try at home. Send us your pictures, let me know what you think.
Oh wow, that's really good.
I just love it. I like it.
Really good.
Tastes like a fridge milkshake.
Yeah, that's nice.
It seems like I'm cheating, but I'm not.
I enjoy having it. It feels like I'm having a treat.